Everyone, Dr. Michael Corsells here today. I'm not sick, just wanted to get your attention. There are a few things I want to talk about when it comes to the corona scare, the COVID-19. It's definitely a pandemic, as you're all aware, but there's a few tips that I recommend. Number one is people don't realize there's actually telemedicine services. Telemedicine is basically communicating over video, so you can video call your healthcare provider. So that technology has been around for a few years, but people don't realize a lot of insurances are actually covering it. So definitely call your insurance carrier to see if telemedicine visits are something you can do. Some people just pay cash services for it, but we definitely do that often here at our office. Especially in the last 2 weeks, I've been having a number of patients doing communication over telemedicine. So that's number one. Number two, I recommend, of course, all the recommendations everyone's following. If you're having symptoms, call your healthcare provider or do telemedicine. Remember basic hand cleaning, sanitization, social distancing, all that. Number three, there's a few things I recommend too. So remember, our body is very, very intelligent and it's able to fight off colds, flus, viruses, illness, bacterial infections, that sort of thing. Sometimes that immune system gets a little bit overzealous and can go into overdrive, causing some issues. So that's the fine balance, is like how far do you ramp up the system, how much do you need to boost it up. But for the most part, people really need to focus on boosting that immune system. So there's a number of things out there to really help out the immune system, which I mentioned earlier in the blog, but some of the few basic things that I've been recommending patients. So a lot of patients come to me and I'll recommend vitamin C in high dose form, getting an intravenous or IV form. That's where you get a IV push into the vein, or you hang up an IV bag with saline and vitamin C in high dose, and it gets slowly dripped into your veins. So it bypasses the digestion, the gastrointestinal tract, and goes directly into the system to boost your immune system. C has great antioxidant properties. You lose antioxidants when you're sick or stressed, but it also has antiviral and antibacterial properties too. Some folks will add like B12, B complex, or even glutathione to that IV formula. There's other things too. There's various other supplements. Take these with a grain of salt. And so some people will take anything from licorice root to elderberry, vitamin C in pill form, vitamin D, cordyceps. There's a lot of different supplements out there to work on boosting the immune system, but I recommend you either come on in, telemedicine, talk to your healthcare provider on what your options are. All right, so hope these few things helped out, and I will talk to you guys later. Stay safe out there.